Kotlin setup in IntelliJ IDE. Install Java JDK 21. Step-by-step installation setup explain. Browser open. Google search box lo IntelliJ IDEA download. Enter key press. jetbrains.com. Download IntelliJ IDEA. First link, mouse left click. First button, accept all, click. JetBrains official redirectory web page, complete display. IntelliJ IDEA JetBrains IDEs section lo supporting OS, Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Users also download this IDE. Default detect and select this Windows. IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate version. Mouse scroll down. Second one, IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Download. Second one, .exe Windows. Right side down arrow click. Three options display. First one, exe setup files. Second one, GIF file. Third one, ARM64. First one, exe. Download button click. Thank you for downloading IntelliJ IDEA. Download section lo IDLC-latest version 2025.2.exe setup file downloading process start. File size 942 MB. Wait and hear downloading process completing. Downloading process completed. New tab click. Search box lo Java download enter. Enter key press. Oracle.com. Java download Oracle India. Second link, mouse left click. Oracle official redirectory web page, complete display. Java downloads section lo mouse scroll down. Second one, JDK 21. Select Java SE Development Kit 21.0.8 download supporting OS, Linux, Mac OS, Windows. Third option, Windows. Select, scroll down. Second option, x64 installer. File size 164.42 MB. Download section lo second link, mouse left click. Downloads JDK -21 version _Windows -x64 _bin.exe setup file downloading process start. Wait and hear downloading process completing. Downloading process completed. Browser close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo first one JDK 21. Select, mouse double click. Java TM SE Development Kit. First button, yes click. Download folder, minimize. Welcome to the installation wizard for Java SE Development Kit installed version 21.0.8. Window lo first button, next click. Destination folder, installation, location and path display. Local disk C, program files, newly created folder, Java subfolder, JDK 21. In case change the another one drive, change button click, unnecessary, default drive C, second button, next click. Progress window, installation status display, copying and extracting files. Wait and hear few seconds. Java SE Development Kit successfully installed. Close button click. File Explorer document reopen. IDLC select, mouse double click. Preparing while setup loading, verifying installer. IDLC exe window lo first button, yes click. Download folder, minimize. Welcome to the IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition setup window lo first button, next click. Choose installation location, destination folder, local disk C, program files, newly created folder name, JetBrains, subfolder, IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition 2025. Space required 3.5 GB. In case change the another one drive, browse button click, unnecessary, second button, next click. Installation options. Configure your IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition installation tools and plugins. First one, create desktop shortcut. First option, left side, tick mark set, mouse left click. Update context menu, left side, tick mark set. Create associations, Java, left side box tick mark set. Second one, Gradle, tick mark set. Groovy, tick mark set. KT, Kotlin, box tick mark set. KTS, tick mark set. Next, Porn, tick mark set. Add bin folder to the path, left side option, tick mark set. Second button, next click. Choose start menu folder, created folder name JetBrains. Second button, install, click. Installing, please wait while IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition is being installed. Files extracting process start. Show details button, click. Extracting and installation files. Complete info display in box. Wait and here few minutes. Completing the IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition setup. Second button, finish, click. Desktop file explorer document reopen. Left side this PC option select. First one, new volume C, select open. Program files folder select, mouse double click. Java folder select open. JDK-21 folder select open. Top section lo address bar, mouse left click, mouse right click. Second option, copy, click. Folder minimize. Windows search box lo system environment variable, enter. First option, edit the system environment variable, click. System properties window lo last button, environment variable, click. Second option, system variable section lo first button, new, click. Variable name, Java underscore home, enter. Second one, variable value, mouse right click, paste, click. First button, OK, click. Next option, path, select. Second button, edit, click. Download folder, reopen. First one, folder, bin, select, open. Address bar, re-click. Mouse left click, mouse right click. Second option, copy, click. Folder, close. Right side first button, new, click. Mouse right click, paste, click. Bottom side first button, OK, click. OK, click and OK, click. IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition IDE desktop shortcut, select, mouse double click. Run this program. Data sharing window lo first button, don't send, click. Import settings section lo second one, skip import button, click. IDE maximize. Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA workspace. 3 icons display. First one, new project icon, click. New project window lo left side second one, Kotlin, select. Project name, remove this text, Chari Tech. Second option, location, created folder location. Select your convenient folder or drive. Right side browse icon, click. Left side desktop option, select. Second button, new folder, click. Delete key press. Enter the folder name, Kotlin projects. Enter key press. Bottom side first button, select folder, click. First button, create, click. Execute folder, first button, click. Building our project, IDE maximize. Elevator.exe window lo first button, yes, click. Bottom side, the folder have been successfully display. Kotlin project file name, main.kt. Mouse right click. Run main kt option, click. Kotlin compiling. Process finished. Main exit code. Error 0. Output hello Kotlin. Script complete select, delete key press. Kotlin simple script, Chari Tech Info Warangal. Main menu icon click, save all option click, run main KT green color icon click. Build our project, bottom side processing completed, executed output Chari Tech Info Warangal display.